Welcome to AffOpps. Thank you for stopping by the channel. My name is Kamari Odom. I'm a 21-year-old college student working to be a professional racing driver and Hall of Famer. So why did I start AffOpps and what is affiliate marketing? So AffOpps, aka Affiliate Opportunities, is a blog originally where I discuss and review as many affiliate programs as possible. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with a company and you help advertise their products and services. So every time you put your link either on your website, a video, YouTube, anywhere, and somebody clicks that link and buys one of those products and services, you make money. So there's hundreds of different affiliate programs out there. I mean, it's incredible how many there really is and how much profit you can make. So why did I start this channel and my blog, more importantly? So I started both of those things really because one is for my own benefit. Let's just be honest. I'm working to have my own passive income. I'm an investor, as well as someone that really saw a lot of potential in affiliate marketing, and I wanted to give my own personal reviews of a lot of these affiliate programs that are out there, because there's tons that you can sign up for. And if you have a blog or a website or YouTube channel, I mean, you can make money with this. So I applaud you again for coming here and wanting to be an affiliate marketer. If you've already knew what it was, and if you didn't know what it was, you're going to learn way more about it on this channel. And I'm going to review as many affiliate programs as I can possibly find. Trust me, I have about 10 right now, so get ready to see a lot of videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified of every video. If you want to check out my racing page and racing YouTube, racing social media, go ahead and go check it out in the link below. Also, right here, I'll probably put my face somewhere. So thank you again. I'll see you guys soon. I'm out.